Stop staring at it. No. Hi, Bobby. Do I have it? Do I have it? Yeah.
Dance in the mirror, I'm winding. Calling my phone, I decline it. You know I'm stingy with timing. Watch how I flip and rewind it. Only pop out if I'm paid, yeah. Smoking the joint, no debate, yeah. Talking that good conversation, and only the cover relay. I talk my shit, I'm in the
She's in her shopping mode.
blues. Plenty to lose, I got nothing to prove. Bitch, you fell off when I told you the truth. New attitude now, yeah. Bubba, that's a move now, yeah. Doji on the move now, yeah. Top of the view, how it look down there, I swear. I can give you all but what's left to me. Talking like you've been there, but you ain't never knew me. This time you can't pull up, it's a new me. You ain't got a shot to shoot, you ain't got a vibe to lose. On my solo dolo rendezvous. Taking news, none of them for you. Body like a guy, love the moon, let my only charge. Working way too hard, broke my heart, but I brushed that off. Maybe I'm just too soft, maybe I'm just too raw. Baby, that's just my law. Don't wanna wear no bra, don't wanna go too far. You gon' flip, but I love the trip. Like you way too much, you gon' flip if I scam again. Not gon' take that loss, yeah. Fuck is a line to all of my friends. We always get in, we under the age, but they buying us gin. I'm sad and depressed, don't see none of these men. I want they coke and they hen. I got a joint in my hand, he got a blunt to his lip. Ill, anxious as fuck, I can't sit still. All out of luck if my drink spill. Only throw up when I'm bottling up. I got hidden emotions, I take a deep hit and I put it in motion. I'm plucking these petals and cooking up potion. It's hocus, it's focus, new focus, new pussy, it's popping. I'm chosen, I knew it, I grew it, I'm fluent. You doubting my music, I'm ruling supreme. She wanna follow my lead, Dolce the Dean, casting a spell for this gleam. Channel my goddess, I planted my seed. Yeah, I'm that A, fuck a plan B. Like what he see, bet he's slanging that D. I make him breathe, open that door, I took a peek. He wanna leak in my sheets, he gonna sow what he reap, give what he keep, yeah. I can give you all but what's left to me. Talking like you've been there, but you ain't never knew me. This time you can't pull up, it's a new me. You ain't got a shot to shoot, you ain't got a vibe to lose. 11-11, that 1 and that 7, the city take another bitty by the day when you're heaven, my finger itching for that, like a boy in the reverend. I'm clairvoyant, nigga, you ain't gotta lie, I can smell it. Too slick for the pigs, nigga, what's your endeavor? Tampa niggas know the lingo, pussy, money, and weather. Yeah, we famous together, you ain't checking on me, I can tell you desperate and jealous. Nigga, fuck is you selling? Cranking in my panties at the school, spitting the fellas. If you ain't part of the city, then you ain't picking your melons. If you ain't pitching your business, well then you're probably irrelevant. Nigga, none of us celibate, fuck the game for the hell of it. I'm just looking for a biddy who can fly me at the mental. Plus I with my nigga and you better hope it's gun tuck. Pussy getting wetter and it's softer than a gun drop. When I'm in Atlanta, I be whipping in the sun top. Sorry, I be tripping, I be itching for that gun cock. He ain't getting money, then you worry about the wrong cock. Living out a bum box, now we pushing pop rock. Nigga got the block high ever since his song fly. Blowing up, I'm speeding up, I'm picking up my pace. Bounty on my booty, then I fuck it with my race. When I read my loud, they be...
Which one?
Which one is it?
I think we're just gonna.
So level 1.
Here?
Yeah.
Press it?
Yeah. No, we're on.
Ground level?
Yeah. That's all it is.
Whoa. What do you think? Why do you think everybody be complaining about it? Look how big this elevator is.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the uniform, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the real that's jewelry, I'ma take big steps, but I'm taking off top off, take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes, it's a real world outside, take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro pay, 5-day stay, take up for the meal, hella Friday, take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad, take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I mad, take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care, take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real, take off the shit mill, take off the dope, take off the bacon bag, take all that designer bullshit off and what do you have?
You ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? Who you think they talk about us? Who you think they curry up us? The world is a panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run, the profits are panic, the law take advantage, the market is crashing, the industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box, but they making them out to be following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for love. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting fucked. Jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they come in my sleep and say I am too real. I'm done with the sensitive, thinking they personal, done with the black and the white, the black and the right, hoping for change, miracle, I know the feelings that came with burial pride.
Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad, take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I mad, take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care, take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real.
Bye.